Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my YouTube friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you friends? Hope you all are fine. In this video we are going to show you a very interesting beautiful denim handbag with crochet designs, ideas and easy style and easy smart ideas for you. Because denim handbags with crochet designs are perfect for old and new fashion. They show creativity, recycling and beauty all together. In this collection, you will see how simple denim can become stylish with soft crochet patterns. Denim handbags are strong and long-lasting, which makes them prefer for daily use and which makes them perfect for daily use. And when crochet is added, they look more soft and elegant look. My dear friends, crochet designs bring a handmade feelings. This makes every bag look special and different from others. And these handbags are also eco-friendly because old jeans can be reused in a creativity way. You can use light colors crochet on dark denim for a beautiful contrast look. And floral crochet patterns make the handbags look more feminine, beautiful, gorgeous and stylish. Simple crochet borders can also give a neat and clean finishing touch, and these bags are perfect for college girls, working women and even casual outings. Always choose a strong thread for crochet so it stays durable with denim. You can add crochet pockets on the front for extra design and usefulness. Mixing different crochet colors can make your bag look more fun and trendy. Try using lace style crochet for a soft and delicate appearance. My dear friends, denim handbags with crochet are perfect for summer fashion, and these bags are not only stylish but also very affordable if you make them at home. You can decorate the bag with crochet flowers, leaves or small patterns like beads, crochet lace and different accessories. And always stitch the crochet part carefully so it does not come loose. These handbags are great gifts ideas for friends and family, and you can also add beads or buttons with crochet to make it more attractive. Keep the design simple if you want a classy and elegant look, and big crochet patterns are good for large tote bags. Small crochet designs look cute on mini bags, handbags, and denim and crochet together show both strength and softness in one design. Always wash denim before using it for crafting to keep it clean. Try different shapes like a round, square or rectangular handbags. So friends, its ideas is very creative and very beautiful, and most beautiful, latest and demanding. Denim and crochet together show both strength and softness in one design, and always wash denim before using it for crafting to keep it clean. Try different shapes like round, square or rectangular handbags, and crochet handles can also be added for a unique style. These handbags match well with casual dresses and Eastern outfits, and you can even sell these handmade bags and start a small business. My dear friends, practice crochet patterns first before adding them to the bag, and creativity is the key, so don't be afraid to try new ideas. All ideas is very creative and most demanding. Old jeans are not useless, they are full of creative possibilities. Today we turn them into beautiful handbags, and denim handbags are not only stylish, they also tell a story of smart cycling. When you reuse denim, you help the environment and reduce waste. This is a small step with a big impact. The strong texture of denim makes these bags durable and reliable for everyday use. These handbags are perfect for casual looks and give a cool modern vibe. You can create simple tote bags that are easy to carry and very useful. Crossbody denim bags are also a great option for comfort and style. Adding colorful patches can make your bag look fun and eye-catching. You can also paint designs on denim to create a truly unique handbag. Always choose clean and strong parts of old jeans for better results. Good cutting is very important. Neat edges make your bag look professional. Strong stitching is the secret behind a long-lasting handbag. Use quality zippers or buttons so your items stay safe inside. You can add inside pockets to keep small things organized. So light denim gives a fresh and soft look, while dark denim feels bold and classy. And do not make your design too heavy. Simple and clean style look more elegant and very stylish. You can mix denim with cotton or printed fabric for a creative touch and crochet fabric, and also test the handle strength before using the bag. Safety is important. Do not overload your bag. Too much weight can damage the shape and stitching. Handmade denim bags are special because they show your personal effort. These bags are also great for gifting because they are unique and meaningful. Try different shapes and sizes to explore your creativity, and recycling denim is also a smart way to save money. Keep your bag clean by washing it gently when needed. And if you want to start a small business, denim handbags are a great idea. Customers love handmade and eco-friendly products. Always check the finishing details before using or selling your bag. Learn from your mistakes and improve your design every time. And be creative, be patient, and enjoy the process of making something new. In the end, denim handbags are not just bags, they are a symbol of creativity, care, and smart living. And do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. It's a very unique, very stylish, and very decent, highly demanding, and very creative denim handbags ideas. And keep watching, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel because we need your support. And do let me know which ideas we would like to see in the next video. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. It's a very beautiful, very unique, very special designs, very colorful, very stylish, very creative, very beautiful, outstanding ideas. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Hope you like all ideas and collection. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. These denim handbags is very creative, very beautiful, and most popular fashion in this video. And it's a very unique, very stylish, and very creative ideas. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Hope you like all ideas and collection. Thanks for watching my videos, and do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video. And please don't forget to press the bell icon. And this is a very unique, very stylish, very creative denim with crochet handmade and denim handbags designs. Most popular, most stylish, very beautiful, and very decent and very amazing denim handbags designs this video. Keep watching, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel because we need your support. Hope you like all ideas and collection. Thank you so much, and thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Take care and assalamu alaikum.